National Geographic Kids Planets by Becky Baines. Look, it's planet Earth. From way up high, our planet looks like a floating marble of blue, white, and green. But we know that it's so much more. Earth has giant oceans and tiny ponds, towering mountains and rolling hilltops. Warm sunshine, fluffy snowflakes, stormy showers, and falling autumn leaves. Earth has big brown bears and soft cuddly bunnies, mighty lions and bouncy kangaroos, and people too. But our planet Earth is just one of many planets. What's a planet? Solar system. Sun. Solar system. A planet travels around a star. There are billions of stars in our universe. Our star is the Sun. The Sun holds 8 large planets and paths that go round and round. You can't see it, but there's a force called gravity that holds the planets in place. Gravity is also what keeps you from floating into space. Planet map. The planets that circle our Sun make up our solar system. Can you find Earth? Start at the Sun and count 1, 2, 3. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. Can you name all the planets by heart? Have you ever seen a planet through a telescope? Which is your favorite planet? Why? Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The 4 planets closest to the Sun are made of rock and metal. They are the warmest of all the planets. The 2 closest are a little too warm for us. Earth is in just the right spot, called the Goldilocks zone. People live where it's not too cold or too hot. Mercury, surface of Mars, Mars rover, Earth. The surface of Mars looks red because it's covered with reddish rocks called iron ore. Ring around the planet. There are 4 gas giants that whoosh and swirl way out in space. They don't have a hard ground like the rocky planets. Some planets have rings around them. Saturn's rings are made of dust and ice. Sunlight reflects off the ice and makes the rings sparkle. Uranus, Saturn's rings close up. 5 teeny tiny planets called dwarf planets can be found in our solar system too. They're too small to be called regular planets, but they're too big to be just rocks. Some dwarf planets are very far away. If you could travel to the farthest one in a rocket, it would take up to 30 years to get there. A spacecraft took this photo of Pluto from 280,000 miles away. That is 450,000 kilometers away. A rocket blasts off into space. Giant dust storms rage on Mars for months. Pluto and its moon Charon. As Pluto travels away from the Sun, the gas around the planet freezes and falls down as snow. Jupiter and its moons. Some planets have moons. Moons are rocks or ice that circle a planet. Earth has 1 moon, but Jupiter has more than 60. Earth and its moon. It took astronauts in a spaceship 3 days to reach our moon. It would take more than a year to fly from Earth to Jupiter's moons. Our solar system might seem like a very big place, but it's just one solar system in a galaxy called the Milky Way. So far, scientists have counted 500 other solar systems in our galaxy. Pinwheel Galaxy, Milky Way Galaxy, Cigar Galaxy. The Milky Way is just one of hundreds of billions of galaxies in the universe. If you started counting now, it would take you 30 years to count to just 1 billion. Howdy, neighbor. With so many planets, you might wonder if there are other people or animals out in space. Astronomers are space scientists who wonder the same thing. The Kepler spacecraft helps scientists on Earth explore space. Observatory in La Serena, Chile. Astronomers use telescopes to explore the night sky. They use computers to help them search for planets that are the most like Earth. They have already found a few. Look up. Maybe one day when you're all grown up, you'll be able to board a rocket to Mars. Until then, look up at the night sky, watch, wonder, and imagine what else is out there. Build an alien. If astronomers did find life on other planets, what do you think those aliens would look like? Would they have spider eyes, duck feet, an elephant trunk, moose antlers, a dolphin tail? Grab a piece of paper and draw your own alien.